Welcome to DSST Test Prep. Today we will discuss the importance of your course modules. Each module is like a mini course. It's made up of small lessons, allowing you to complete them in a reasonable amount of time. They are like chapters in a book. Let's use astronomy as an example. As you review each lesson, pay special attention to the words in bold. Write them down in your notebook. Doing this will help your active recall. These terms are also available for you to review as digital flashcards. Review your flashcards anytime for extra practice. Each module also has a short quiz and one final exam. For example, here in Module 1A, there is a quiz. Now, before you start studying, please understand that you're not expected to ace our practice exams on your first try. I need you to remember three things. Repetition, repetition, and, you guessed it, repetition. Spaced repetition is a way of learning spread across multiple study sessions. When taking your practice exams, our goal is to perform 10% better on each attempt. For example, you might take your first quiz and score 40%. Don't worry, you will improve. Review the incorrect answers and take it again. The second time, you may score 50%. Congratulations, you improved. Keep practicing until you score 90% or higher, then move on to the next section. If you study for 30 minutes a day for 2 weeks, you will have mastered at least 200 questions. As you commit to regular practice, your understanding and test-taking skills will improve, and your confidence will increase. The better you perform on our tests, the more prepared you will be for your final exam. Remember, learning can be fun. Treat our exams like games and improve with each attempt. In our next lesson, we'll review your practice exam module and discuss several tips to help you succeed.